All right, let me show you how you can easily connect your Elirox AI trading bot to any broker of your choice, Let me show you step by step. So once you register, they will give you 10,000 demo accounts for practice to see the performance of the bot. So that is how, because I'm just showing you this account for it's a tutorial for you guys to know how to do it. This is how your account will be once you just register. A free demo account will be there like this. So now if you want to connect, so come to this particular area, click on this connect your trading account. So you are going to see the list. But if you are just a new member, the company is giving you 1 month free plan to use. You can see, create a new partner broker via Elirox, deposit at least $100 to your new account. But you need to just register. You need to register with their link, with their own partner link of Exness. So we are going to fill everything here. But if you can just log, if you already, or you can just log in if you already partner with them already. So now, but here, if you want to connect, you have to just click on this manual connection, right? Using your own server name and everything. You click here, then you have to just select your something here. But I will let's say you want to use Exness as an Exness as an example. Exness. Okay. Okay, Exness. Okay, sorry. Let's say, or you can say add my broker. If you click either this one, you need to pay subscription fee for this one, either Exness, then you need to just click on this upgrade, all right, and make your payments using your details. So this one connects any broker, create grid bot, 10 trading accounts, 25 active bots, automated trading, all right, automated trading, AI strategy, demo accounts, both customization, trading view built in. So all right, this is the one you can only connect or with any broker. But if you don't want, if you want to use if you want to use Exness, I don't know, maybe that one, this one is for free, 1 month for free. Why this one you cannot connect with any broker here, you cannot, except Exness. Here you can see why this one is 70,000 naira. It depends on your, when it depends on the location you have, because I'm in Nigeria right now. That's why it's showing me this kind of money. All right, you can see. And pro, you can connect with any broker here. So the pro version is the one that is best, that you can easily connect with your own personal broker. So that's how it works. So then I will show you how you can easily connect the account right now in this video. All right, once you come to your Exness account, I'm just showing, this is just a demo account for practice. All right, for me to show you how you can get your server, whatever. Come to this area. When you log into your Exness app, all right, you are going to see the account number. That is where you are. Then the server, sorry, this is the server, then this is the accounts number. So that is all what they are going to require from you once you want to connect with the AI. Don't forget to do that. This one is account number, and this one is also server. Then you now make sure you know your own the password you use. Simple as ABC. Let's continue with the video. So once you have already upgraded your account, all right, click on manual connection. After you have already subscribed, click on manual connection, go to all broker, then select your own personal broker on this particular area. Your own broker, you are to select it on this particular, from the list on this particular area. All right, so click on add my broker, then enter the name of the broker, the server, the login, the password. You now click on this connect. So you have to make sure you put everything here. Is very, very important. All right, so you can see I've already put the name of the broker, the server as an example, then the login and everything. So you need all this. You have to just provide all these things: the broker name again, then the the server name. You need to just make sure to provide it. Then just go to, then, or IP address. You have to do it. Then you have to just make sure to, then account login. It's very, very simple and easy. Then you now click on password. So that's all. So if you have already, if your broker is among the list of the broker here, it will automatically show. Yes, it will show your server automatically. If your broker is among the list of the broker, you can see it will show automatically. So just select one, then all right, just select one, then you click on connect. That's how you can just go into connect your account. Very simple and easy. So thank you for watching. Bye for now, guys.